Hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel Apple Guruji. Today I'll bypass the iCloud lock or activation lock on an iPhone 6s. This works on iPhone 6s, 6s Plus, and other supported devices. Watch the video completely and follow the same steps to bypass iCloud lock or activation lock on your iPhone. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. If you need the files, use the download links given in the description of this video. Follow me on Instagram at Apple Guruji. I will be using CheckRain application first. Connect your phone and click on the Start button. Your phone enters recovery mode. Click on Start option again and follow the on-screen instructions to put your phone to DFU mode. If it fails to enter DFU mode, do not worry. Just try it one more time. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. If you need the files, use the download links given in the description of this video. Follow me on Instagram at Apple Guruji. As soon as the phone enters DFU mode, the jailbreaking process starts. Wait for it to complete. Your phone turns on automatically. Now, open a terminal window. Open the text file which contains the codes. Copy the first command and paste it in the terminal window. If it asks for a password, enter the password of your Mac. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. If you need the files, use the download links given in the description of this video. Follow me on Instagram at Apple Guruji. Once it says, "Installation successful," close the terminal window and open a new one. Copy-paste the next set of commands as shown in the video. Once you enter the iProxy command, open a new window and copy-paste the next set of commands. If you get the host key verification failed error, just type open space .ssh and press the enter key. Now delete the known host file in the window. You can paste the previous command once again and continue with the process without any errors. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. If you need the files, use the download links given in the description of this video. Follow me on Instagram at Apple Guruji. Once you enter the kill all command, the phone resprings. Your phone is now iCloud bypassed. You can use all the applications and download new applications using the App Store. You can even restart your phone without any problem. It is a permanent bypass method. If you need a jailbreak, open the CheckRain application and install Cydia. Hit the thumbs up button if you liked this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Apple Guruji for more such videos on iCloud bypass. Use the link given in the description to download the files. Also, we are now on Instagram. Our Instagram handle is Apple Guruji. You can chat with me on Instagram. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day my dear friends.